So one of the easiest ways to get between Pisa and Florence is to use the train system. Search out the big red machines in the stations and select your language at the bottom. Select your destination, the time in which you want to travel, and then a list of options will come up on the screen for times that you can travel. Select how many tickets you want, and your trip itinerary will come up on the screen. You'll also get an option to add a return journey, but as we were just doing a single on this occasion, that's what we went with. And for the tickets, you can either pay cash or pay card. Before you board the train, just don't forget to stamp your ticket.